Hello, beautiful souls, and welcome to the fourth and final activation in this series. If you are just joining, I do encourage you to go to the playlist Light Code Activation Series and go back to session number 1. It explains what we're doing, and every activation has built an energy on each other. And so this is the final one. I want to thank you all for going through this. I had no plans of recording this series. I was going to rest after the Lionsgate series, but I got strong guidance to do this. So if you are one of the souls who participated in this series, then this was absolutely meant for you. Alright, let's just get started. You know the drill. I will be channeling this light code energy for the next 8 minutes, and I will let you know once it is complete. Fully surrender, allow, and receive. This session is now complete. Let's take a few deep breaths to integrate it all. And the card for this final session, again from the Starseed Oracle deck by Rebecca Campbell. The card we got was the 7 Star Sisters. Birthing creations, tapestry of life, expression. And the book states, there are new creations that want to be born, beauty that's yearning to be woven, new consciousness that's longing to be breathed into life. If you draw this card, you're being called to surrender to these creations, to usher in a new era of consciousness, and do your bit in weaving the web of life. This is the card of the artist and the midwife. You're being called to ponder questions. What wants to be birthed through you? What new creations are whispering in your ear? What beauty are you being called to make? Creativity and intuition come from the same sacred place. They occur when we find ourselves flowing with the rest of life. Earth is renowned as a planet of manifestation and creativity, and yet so many of us have forgotten how to create. Somewhere along the way, we stop seeing ourselves as artists, as creatives, as poets. Yet to be human is to be creative. Creativity is a part of your true nature. Perhaps you're being called to surrender to a creative project, such as a new business or book. Or perhaps you're being called to weave beauty into your home or in the way that you cook. Regardless of the end result, you're being called to express yourself through creativity, to surrender to the creative projects that both scare and excite you, to find a way to weave beauty back into everyday life. For where there's creativity, spirit and soul are present, and the world needs those qualities more than ever before. And so the inquiry for today is, what new creations are you being called to birth? And whenever we ask the question, we don't have to know the answer. When you ask the question, you will allow the answer to come to you. So this is not at all about feeling pressure to create something unless you know what it is that wants to be birthed through you. And if so, then now is the time. But if you don't know, just ask the question. You can even place your hands on your heart and ask the question of what wants to be birthed through you right now. And then just surrender and allow. And in the perfect time and in the perfect way, you will get your inspiration and you will get your answer. And I feel this is what this whole activation series has been giving us. You know, allowing us to let go of that heavy, dense energy and on a soul level being activated, and getting these energetic answers to what is next for us. Because we are all playing a huge role in the creation of this new paradigm, in the creation of this high vibrational collective consciousness and this new earth. And so whatever you do and however you express in your own beautiful, unique way is exactly what we need. I want to thank you for going through this series again. I kind of feel like we don't really know the impact that, this Lionsgate in this series has had right now, but the feeling I have deep inside is it's big. It's really, really big. So thank you. I love you all so much. And extensive healings are always below. I'll talk with you next time with whatever spirit guides me to create next. All right. All the love and light.